Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you. Finally we did it, 1000 subscribers. It was a long journey, but we are finally here. And I just want to say big thank you to all of you who commented, subscribed, liked the video, share it. This is so amazing, and I just want to say thank you for coming along with me with this amazing journey, and makes me so happy. And finally we did it, so 1000 subscribers after 1 year and a half. And yeah, this is so amazing. It feels like I don't know, like a dream. I remember when I was 200 subscribers and I was thinking, you know what, this is gonna take a long way to get to 1000, because you know, when you're on a mark, let's say 150, even 200 subscribers, you think, you know what, 1000 subscribers is a long way and this is gonna take very long. But you know what, you have to believe in yourself and you have to be positive, and you'll be there soon. Because as a small creator, I'm a very small creator, I'm not the best one, I don't want to be the best one, but I want to do what I'm doing, and this is to create videos and to help people and enjoy what I'm doing. So this is so amazing. So you'll be there, don't give up, just create something beautiful, press the record button and then upload it to the world. And yeah, be positive, be nice, be cool, smile, and you'll be there. So for all the small creators there, you'll be there as well. So 1000 subscribers is, I think, for me, the most important milestone for my YouTube channel, because we finally did it. And it's a hard, but end of the day, everybody will achieve this milestone if you believe in yourself, and it's so amazing. So I just want to say big thank you for all the people who watched my videos, and thank you very much. This is amazing, and many cool things is coming to my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you very much. It's gonna be amazing. See you in the next video.